thunderstorm heading towards downtown Los Angeles. It is 4:12 p.m. and we were dealing with severe type of thunderstorms earlier in the day, like around the 2 o'clock area. And you can see the sky has cleared out tremendously. The sun's starting to move up. The rain is starting to come in a little harder now. It's not that windy. See there, we got a cell right there. We're gonna sail over downtown Los Angeles. It's expected to move up. I don't know if you can see it, but we have more convective activity going on behind this storm. We've got more cumulative clouds developing. Just like earlier this morning, lots of convection led to severe thunderstorms. Heading along the 10th freeway. So far, no lightning, but we'll still be on the lookout for any strike. Garfield Avenue. Garfield. I don't know if you can see it at the end down there, you can see more convection going on, which could lead to more severe weather. Starting to rain hard again. I think I can see a little bit more clearly that we have another developing storm at the end of this storm cell, right near the horizon of this storm cloud. I don't know if that's exactly a thunderstorm, but I'll still be watching that very clearly. And we got a lot of that going on right now. We have another one down towards Santa Monica, as well to parts of Long Beach. No hail yet. We got more from back there. I can't see it that well. It's quite awesome. There we have another one. That's the other one I'm talking about. I don't know the exact location. I think it's around heading down towards Long Beach, somewhere around there. It's too bright, so I can't see the next thunderstorm. But all I can say, look, it's quite beautiful. I haven't seen the sky like this for a long, long while. I'm recording with my iTouch, so that's why I can't zoom in into that. But we can see the rain shaft looks quite thick.